In this video, I am going to show you how you can uninstall Dropbox from your Mac completely. At first, we need to sign out from this Dropbox account. I'm going to click the account and then preferences. And once preferences opened, I'm going to access accounts, and here there is sign out button. I'm going to sign out from here. Once again, I have to press this button, and very shortly it will be signed out and it will give us this type of confirmation message. Now let's open the Dropbox application install location. So this app is installed inside the application folder. So I'm going to click app, and then here I'm going to type Dropbox, and once I type over the Dropbox, once we find it, then we have to click right click, and then we have to choose this option, show in finder, and it will be showing on the install location. Now right click again on top of Dropbox and choose this option, move to trash, and it will be removed from this application folder. Now we need to do another thing. From this sidebar, we have to come this Dropbox section. We just need to click here, and the top right corner we'll see there is a button like to remove everything from this account. Just press over there and then delete, and everything will be gone. Now the last thing is right click on top the trash and then choose empty trash. Once again choose empty trash, and everything will be removed. And that's it. In this way we can remove Dropbox from our computer completely.